The DNA damage response, DDR, is a complex network of cellular processes that is activated when DNA is damaged. DNA damage can occur due to various factors, such as exposure to radiation, chemicals, or errors during DNA replication. The DDR is crucial for maintaining genome integrity and preventing the accumulation of mutations that can lead to genetic diseases, cancer, or cell death. The DDR involves a series of molecular events that detect, signal, and repair DNA damage. Here are the key steps involved in the DNA damage response. Detection. DNA damage is recognized by specialized proteins that scan the genome for abnormalities. These proteins can detect different types of DNA damage, such as single-strand breaks, double-strand breaks, or base pair mismatches. Signaling. Once DNA damage is detected, a signaling cascade is initiated to transmit the damaged signal to other parts of the cell. Protein kinases, such as ATM, ataxytelangiectasia mutated, and ATR, ATM and RAD3 related, are activated and phosphorylate downstream targets, triggering a series of events. Cell cycle arrest. The DDR activates cell cycle checkpoints to temporarily halt the cell cycle progression. This pause provides time for DNA repair mechanisms to fix the damage before the cell continues dividing. Key proteins involved in cell cycle arrest include p53, p21, and cyclin-dependent kinases. DNA repair. The DDR coordinates various DNA repair pathways to restore the damaged DNA. The choice of repair pathway depends on the type and extent of DNA damage. Some common repair mechanisms include base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, homologous recombination, and non-homologous end joining. Apoptosis or senescence. If the DNA damage is severe and cannot be repaired, the DDR can induce programmed cell death, apoptosis, or permanent growth arrest, senescence. These mechanisms prevent the propagation of cells with potentially harmful genetic alterations. Overall, the DNA damage response is a sophisticated system that maintains genome stability and protects cells from the deleterious effects of DNA damage. It ensures that damaged DNA is either repaired or eliminated, contributing to the overall health and function of organisms.